In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove some of the bad reviews that you get after you already get them. So this is my book, for example, and I'll just click on some of the reviews, and you'll see that, for example, if I click on a random review person, you can see their profile. In many people's reviews profiles, you don't really get a lot of information about them. Now, if they have a unique name, in this case, probably there's like 20 Tommy Saps in the world. It's not a unique name enough. You can't contact them. You can look on Facebook, you can look on LinkedIn. Those are popular places to look, and you literally search for this name. This name is not unique enough. It's probably going to be a lot of, you don't know who it is. There's no picture, nothing. So you can't reach them. But if, let's say, they are on LinkedIn, let's say they have a very unique name and you found them on LinkedIn, then guess what? You can reach out to them and start a conversation. Sometimes you can offer extra explanations. You can ask them why, what their frustrations with your product was if they left a bad review. If they left a good review, don't do that. So if they left a bad review, you can get in the conversation with them, and at some point, you can ask them to either improve the review or remove it or something like that by reaching out to them. Now, sometimes what you'll see, if I'm going to press back on this browser, what some profiles have are like more contact information. For example, this profile has a picture, and I'm like, this person put care into filling out their profile. And you can see, if you click more, there's their websites, their Twitter, and you can even send them an email, and you can go to their website. So they actually provide ways for you to reach them, and you should message them on a few of these. Like, use one, wait a day or two. If they don't reply, maybe they didn't see it. You then use a different one, wait a day or two. If they didn't reply, they didn't see it. So use all of these eventually until they reply. And then you can engage them in conversation. And once you're in conversation, you can quell their concerns, address things they are not happy about, give them value, more products, more help, so that we reverse them and that they are happy. And then when they are happy, then you can ask them to improve their review, and boom, you just reversed your bad review into a good review.